Hello, in this video I will show you my flower plants. So these are my one flower plant, this is second, this is third one, beautiful roses, and this is the fourth one, and fifth one is small one. So I will show you what are these. So this you can see big leaves, and this flower plant is called hibiscus, Hollywood hibiscus flower. गुड़हल के पौधे का फूलों का ये पौधा है, बहुत सुंदर और लाल फूल निकलते हैं इसमें. It has very beautiful red flower, but main thing is this: if you will turn the leaves, here you can see the black color of bugs. Usually these plants got so many bugs on the black bugs. So इनके पीछे जो है कुछ काले रंग के कीड़े लग जाते हैं, तो उसको हम कैसे भगाएं ये मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको. एंड दिस इज़ माय सेकंड प्लांट, फ्लावर प्लांट, विच इज़ कॉल्ड जास्मीन फ्लावर प्लांट. बेला का पौधा है ये. इसकी ये फूल है, बहुत सुंदर फूल, बहुत ही सुगंधित फूल है. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल वाइट जैस्मीन फ्लावर, and this is more than 1.5 year old plants. Next, this is the recent addition in my home. I have recently purchased this flower plant. It is called heirloom roses, Rosa heirloom. This is here you can see this have pink and purple color for rose, and beautiful. Its smell is very sweet smell. The flower have very sweet smell. That is why I purchase. इन फूलों की खुशबू बहुत ही मीठी, बहुत ही सुगंधित है. इस अभी देखिए 4 फूल हैं और अभी भी बहुत सारी कलियां आने वाली हैं. So we will try to grow more into another plants, into another pot. And this is my last year red rose. We just cut them, and now you can see these flower buds are coming. Here the new leaves are also started coming out. And from here I also grow the 2 cuttings. And this flower also have this plant also have very good smell of flower plants. So let me show you how we are trying to save them, and how to save these plants from the bugs. I really like these flowers because they have pink and purple color flower. It's very unique color, and the main unique color here is the smell. Smell is very sweet smell of these flowers. बहुत ही सुगंधित, बहुत ही मीठी खुशबू है इन पौधों की और फूलों की. So here this is the plant. Now we will show you how to take care of these green leaves. So basically we add some ash. Here we have wood ash. आप कोई भी राखी ले सकते हैं, और इन पत्तियों पे you can see just sprinkle some ash, wood ash, और charcoal type of powder, so. And after some time these bugs will be gone, and you will see again your plants is surviving and blooming with beautiful flowers. So ये हम every year, मैं इसमें every year ये डालता हूँ राखी. इससे हमारे पौधों में कीड़े नहीं लगते हैं. It's like a natural and pesticides, you know. We need not any chemical, just add some ash, wood ash or coal ash, both will be fine. This is like a wood and coal mixture. So we just cover almost every branch or every leaf with this ash. And in the winter usually this leaves are all gone. We just cut all the leaves, we remove every leaves, and then now after spring they all new leaves are coming. And these leaves basically so one more thing I would like to show you, that these pink flowers are very thick and petals are big. It's a big flower, so I will save these flower petals and I will try to get the sweet essence, fragrance from here. And if you will see a little bit far away from here, I'm growing some other vegetables in the raised bed, so I will show you those in the later videos. And thank you for watching my video. Here you can see we have covered all these leaves with the ash. And ending note once again, thank you for watching this beautiful red, pink color and purple color roses.